Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 1.1 of class 6th, chapter number 1, that is knowing our numbers. Now, we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 1.1. Question is fill in the blanks. You are given a statement and you have to fill the blank. So, firstly we will solve the A part, that is 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. Now, we know that 1 lakh को हम लिखते हैं 1 and 50 और 10,000 को हम लिखते हैं 1 then 4 zeros. अगर आपको 10,000 को 1 लाख के इक्वल करना है, आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, एक ज़ीरो इंक्रीज करना है. सो आप क्या करोगे, 10,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 lakh. सो योर आंसर इज 1 lakh इज इक्वल टू 10,000. नाउ we have to solve B part, that is 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. Now we know that in 1 million we write 1 and then 6 zeros, and in 100,000 we write 1 and 5 zeros. Now to make 100,000 equal to million, we will multiply by 10. So 1 million is equal to 10 100,000. Now in C part we are given 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakh. Now students, you know that in 1 crore there are 1 and there are 7 zeros, and in 10 lakh we write 1 and after that 6 zeros. Now to make 10 lakh equal to 1 crore we have to multiply by 10. आपको एक ज़ीरो इंक्रीज करना है तो आप 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. सो 1 crore is equal to 10 lakh. Now in D part we are asked 1 crore is equal to dash million. Now again we know that in 1 crore there are 7 zeros and in 1 million there are 6 zeros. Now again आप क्या करोगे, you have to multiply 1 million by 10 to make it a crore. So 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Now E part is 1 million is equal to dash lakh. So now you know that in 1 million there are 6 zeros and in 1 lakh there are only 5 zeros. Now you will multiply 1 lakh by 10, so it will become 1 million. Now you get the answer, 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Now students, we are in question number 2. It is place commas correctly and write the numeral. So the question is 73,75,307. Now in this first step is you will make the place value table and place the numbers. This you have done in class 5th. So you have to place the number accordingly. Now in Indian system, the first comma comes before 3 digit from right, that is last digit. Now the second comma will come before 2 digit from this comma. So the rule is first comma will come before 3 digit from last. Second comma will come before 2 digit from this comma, and again the next comma will come before 2 digits. So in commas you will write it as 73, 75, 307. Now the B part is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So again you will form the place value table, ones, tens, hundred and so on, and you will write the numbers accordingly. Now the first comma you will put before 3 digit from the last number, then second comma before 2 digit from this comma, and the third comma again before 2 digit from this comma. So the number is 9,05,00,041. Now C part is 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Now you have to write firstly in place value table. So in place value table you will write the numbers. After that count 3 digit from last and place the first comma. Then count 2 digit from this comma and place the second comma. Again count 2 digit from this comma and place the third comma. Now the number is 7, 52, 21, 302. Now you are given D part 58,423,202. Now firstly you will place it in place value table. Now this belongs to International System of Numeration because the values are given in million. So now the commas you will put according to this rule, that is first comma will come before 3 digit from the last number, then second comma will again come before the 3 digit from this comma. So always remember, in international system the first comma will come before 3 digit from the last number, then the second comma will come before 3 digit from first comma, and so on. Now E part 23,32,010. Again it is given in Indian system. So firstly form Indian place value chart. Now you know first comma will come before 3 digit from the last number, then the second comma will come before 2 digit from this comma. So number is 23, 30, 010. Now you are given question number 3, that is insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. So number is given in A part. Now because it is Indian system, you will form a place value table, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now start placing the number from the last digit. So 2 comes in ones place, 6 in tens place, 7 in hundred place, 5 in thousand place, 9 in 10,000 place, 5 in lakh place, 7 in 10 lakh place, and 8 in crore place. Now reading the number, it is 8 crore, then 75 lakh 95,762. Then you will write this in words. Now the first comma will come before 3 digit, second comma will come before 2 digit, and the third before 2 digit. Now in B part the number is given. Again you have to form place value table according to Indian system of numeration. So 3 will come in ones place, 8 in tens place, 2 in hundred place, 6 in thousand place, 4 in 10,000 place, 5 in lakh place, and 8 in 10 lakh place. So the number is 85 lakh 46,283. So this is your answer. So now putting the commas, first comma will come before 3 digit, then the second comma will come before 2 digit from this comma. Now you are given question number C. Again you will place 6 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 0 in hundred place, 0 in thousand place, 0 in 10,000 place, 9 in lakh place, another 9 in 10 lakh place, and 9 in crore place. Now the first comma will come before 3 digit, second comma before 2 digit, and third comma before 2 digit from this comma. So the number will be read as 9 crore 99 lakh 46. So now the D part is given and we have to make the place value table. So the 1 will come in ones place, 0 in tens place, 7 in hundred place, 2 in thousand place, 3 in 10,000 place, 4 in lakh place, 8 in 10 lakh place, and 9 in crore. Now to place comma, first comma will come before 3 digit from last, then second comma will come before 2 digit from this comma, and the third comma will come again before 2 digit from this comma. So the number will be read as 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. Now question number 4 is insert comma suitably and write the name according to International System of Numeration. Now you are asked to write the name in International System. So question number A is given. Now you will form the international place value chart table. So 2 will come in ones place, 9 in tens place, 0 in hundred place, 1 in thousand place, 2 in 10,000 place, 9 in 100,000 place, 8 in million place, and 7 in 10 million place. Now you have to put comma. First comma will come before 3 digit from the last number. Then the second comma will come again before 3 digit from this comma. So the number will be read as 78,921,902. Now you are given number. You have to again place it in international system. So 3 will come in ones place, 10 in eights place, 2 in hundred place, 2 in thousand place, 5 in 10,000 place, 4 in 100,000 place, and 7 in millions place. Now start placing the comma. The first comma will come before 3 digit from last number. Second comma will come before 3 digit from this comma. So the number is 7,452,283. Now you are given the number. Again you have to place it in international place value chart. So 2 will come in ones place, 0 in tens place, 1 in hundred place, 5 in thousand place, 8 in 10,000 place, 9 in 100,000 place, 9 in million place, and the last 9 in 10 million place. Now the first comma will come before 3 digit from the last number, then second comma before 3 digit from this comma. The number is 99,985,102. Now we will solve the last question. So the number is given, again place it in place value table. So 1 will come in ones place, 3 in 10 place, 8 in 100 place, 9 in 1000 place, 4 in 10,000 place, 0 in 100,000 place, 8 in million place, 4 in 10 million place. Now you have to put commas. So first comma will come before 3 digit from the last number. Then second comma will come before 3 digit from this comma. So the number is 48,049,831. So with this, we have completed our exercise. I hope you all understood this exercise.